Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your opened tabs in the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome. On the top right corner you can see this square and the number 3 in it. That means I have 3 tabs open. You can delete them by tapping on the X on the top right corner of the tab. Just tapping on the X, or you can delete by tapping on the top right corner on these 3 dots and tap on close all tabs. Tap again, close all tabs. Then I closed all of my tabs. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.